So you're the Chief Executive Officer of Hellenic Development Bank that was founded in 2019, so it's quite recent. Can you explain to us what's your collaboration with BPI?
Okay, hello. We have started the cooperation with BPI 2 years ago through a change process, as Hellenic Development Bank was formed in 2019, as you have just explained. So during those 2 years, there have been severe changes both on our structure as well as the programs that we have introduced to the Greek market. And this was very fortunate because through this valuable cooperation, we have been able to grow our capacity. And in the past, during the pandemic crisis that has changed our life, we managed to support the Greek entrepreneurship. To give you a slight figure, we have provided 4 times more loans than in the previous decade. Through the different schemes that we have.
During the pandemic?
Yes.
Oh.
So we've started, we took an organization that had less than 300 million under management, and during those last months we have grown it to 8.6 billion. So it was quite a big trip that we have done, and the capacity building and the knowledge and the transfer of knowledge from BPI was really important.
You just signed an MOU with BPI now, a memorandum of understanding,
yes.
Right? So what is that memorandum of understanding about? Because I am curious.
Well, we just signed that actually with Monsieur Langard, and it is actually enhancing our cooperation in the future steps. We will place more effort into innovation. We will support both sides, any potential French-Greek investments in Greece. And in that sense, we are sharing knowledge from BPI, and we would exchange also best practices and know-how of the markets.
Yes, because Greece is getting out of a very, very painful crisis.
Yes.
Economic and then the pandemic. So what about the entrepreneurship there? Do you feel there's a new motivation now?
I think we will, as I've seen the statistics, we are having one of the highest pace in GDP growth. Probably it's because of this low base that we have of the economic crisis of the previous years. And there is an optimistic and confidence, let's say, of the entrepreneurship and the investments in Greece. So we see an important growth in the entrepreneurship environment. And
you see some of the wish to and the will to conquest, which is the theme of the big 7 this year.
Yes.
What's the conquest for you?
Well, for us, the conquest is something that we've done, as I've told you, because we have managed to win the bet on the capacity building, on growing, because this is the theme, grandir, conquérir et grandir
ensemble. Do you speak French?
Un petit peu, oui.
Mais alors, on aurait pu parler en français, c'est très bien.
Non, non, pas maintenant. Alors, what we see is continue to win different bets, and I will use a theme of Plato that says that we need to win ourselves, and this is the biggest of the battles. So be able to improve, be able to win every day and become better than yesterday. So this is our theme, and I believe that conquérir l'avenir, c'est ce qu'on veut.
Et conquérir ensemble.
Oui.
Voilà,
bien
merci
sûr.
beaucoup Athinás Hατζηπέτρου, qui dirige donc la banque de développement grecque et qui parle finalement le français. On aurait pu vous épargner l'anglais. Merci beaucoup et très bon retour à Athènes.
Oui.
C'est Marie-Laure Garnier qui va nous rejoindre.